So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can switch to business profile on Instagram. So first of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. After this, tap on this menu icon on the top right. Now here scroll down. And here you will see this option called account type and tools. Tap on it. Now, under the account type, tap on switch to professional account. Tap on next. And now tap on switch to professional account. Now, you will have to select whether you are a creator or a business. Select either of the two options and then tap on next. After this, tap on this cross. And now this will switch your Instagram profile to business profile. So this is how you can switch to business profile on Instagram. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.